Hi, grade 1 Emarati syllabus. Today I will start from lesson 13 till lesson 15 in your book, A Bridge to Success. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today I will start. I will start from lesson. Last class I stopped here on lesson 13 and on lesson 13. Here I will start from lesson 15, 16, 17. Okay, here we talk about letter T. We talk about letter T. This is called capital T and small t. I think we know this before. Capital T and small t. Let's sing this song together. Tiny tiger, with a teddy. Tiny tiger, T. This is called capital T and this is called small t. Let's go to another item here in this unit. This is small t. I will leave you the link of the book to trace this letter written like this. This is small t written like this. Small t, capital T written like this. Okay, this is the difference between capital and small t. Let's go to another item here. Here is number 3. Last class we learned number 1 and 2. Today we will learn number 3. Here we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, so today we will take the new number, which is number 3. We have here camels. Have here 3 camels. So here we have 3 camels. Here is 3 camels. Written like this. This is called 3 camels. Here we have 3 ants. 3 ants. We can write it as it is. We can write it as numbers, and we must also know how to write it in letters like this. This is called 3, written like this. Okay, so it's written like this. So how I write 1 in numbers and letters? 1 written like this. Okay, written like this. This is called 1. Here we have 3 written like this. 1 written like this. I will omit the rest of these numbers to be able to be clear. Here is I will write 1 in letter and 1 in number. This 1 in number written like this. In letters I write number as this is in number. In letter I write 1 as it is. Here is 2 written like this in number and written in letters like this. Okay. 3 written like this in number and written like this in letters. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 written in numbers like this and in letters like this. 2 in numbers like this and letters like this. 1 written in this and this like this, and 1 written in letters like this. Let's continue the rest of our unit today. Here we have 3. 1, 2, 3. How many here is how many boys are there? 1, 2. So here I write here 2. Here is 2 boys. Here's 2 boys written like this and in numbers and in letters I write it like as it is. Okay, here is 2 written like this and written like this in numbers and in letters. Okay, now we learn how to write the numbers in letters and in numbers. Both are important to know it in numbers and to know it in letters. But in English we must know in letters because in English we depend on letters, don't in numbers. Let's go to another item here. Here is can I see. Let's know the name of things that we learned before. Here we learn some words. Let's learn it together. Here we have tiger, teddy. So tiger started with which letter that tiger started with? Started with letter T. Here is called T. Tiger and teddy. Here is tiger and teddy. Started with letter T. Here is we have ant and apple. Ant and apple started with letter A. Here is ant and apple. started with letter A. Here we have S, started with what? The word started with S. It will be here sun and C. Sun, C and sun. C and sun. Started with letter what? With letter S. This is called letter S. So here, this is letter S. Okay. And an apple, and apple. Here is and apple. Started with which letter? That started and apple. Started with letter A. Here is letter A. Okay. Here is letter A. Here is letter A. Here is letter S. And here is letter T. This is called letter T. Now we know the words and know the letters that we started with. Let's go to another item here. Simon says, here, Simon says what? I think here is pointed to the words that we know. Let's read the words together. Here is tiger, teddy, tiger, teddy. And here is and an apple, and an apple. Sea and sun, sea and sun. Here is we have tiger and teddy, and an apple, sea and sun. Let's go to another item here. Here we say, listen and say, look at the sun is shining. Which is the sun? This sun. The tiger is in the sea. Here is sea. Here is tiger. Oh, here we know we're saying this why to know the words. Here is sun is shining. Here is sun. Tiger. Tiger in the sea. Here is tiger, and this is the sea. Ant. Here, where is the ant here? Where is the ant here? Here is the ant, and here is the sand, and here is ant and sand here. Fun is in the sun. Here is sun. So here you know sun, we know tiger, sea, and this is turtle that we took before, and this is pear and camel. Okay, I think all of this know it before. Here we say, this is a song. Let's sing it together. Hello, 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 everyone. Goodbye, 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 everyone. Here when we leave someone, we say goodbye, and when we welcome to someone, we say hello. I would like to have a topic reading. Let's read it. I would like to read with you. Let's read this topic together to improve your reading. Okay, this is not related to your book, but it's a text. I would like to read read it to you to improve your reading. Okay, here is, I have a wonderful family. There are 4 members in my family. So here we know, as we know before, we know you can't know letter 4. We know letter 4 later. Here is this is the spelling of 4 in letters, written like this. There are 4 members in my family. The members of my family love each other. My father is kind and helpful. My mother takes care of us. I also have a brother or sister. We spend time together. I love my family very much. Okay, by this text we end from our video. I hope to be and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.